electric potential at any point due to an electric dipole. This is the electric dipole having a charge A at A and B, that is minus Q and Q, separated by a distance 2a from each other. O is the central point of the dipole, that means on the both side distances are A. Let P is the point where we have to calculate the electric potential, that is at distance R1 from the minus charge and R2 from the plus charge. This is the point where we have to calculate the distance. And after that, what we did, from A we draw a perpendicular on this line, we extend this line, okay, so it will meet at point C. Similarly, from B we draw a perpendicular on this line, it will meet at D. It will meet at C, it will meet at D. If we draw a perpendicular, that means the length line of the AP is equal to CP. AP की जो लेंथ है that is equal to the CP. Similarly, if we draw a perpendicular from B on D, then that means BP is equal to PD. BP is equal to PD. So in like this, from P at a point distance R from the center O, that means the distance between P and O, this P and O is R. This distance R1, this distance PO is R, and PB is R2. And another thing is the PA is equal to PC as perpendicular is drawn. Similarly, PB is equal to PD, that is R2. Let OP, this OP make an angle theta with the dipole moment. How dipole moment act? As we know, dipole moment is from the negative to positive charge, like P is this dipole moment, and the OP make an angle theta with the dipole moment. Let R1 and R2 are the distances from the minus Q charge and plus Q charge from point P respectively. So electric potential at point P due to minus charge is the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q by R1. Similarly, for the plus Q charge, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q by R2. So net potential at point P due to the dipole, that is V1 plus V2, we put the value 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q in bracket minus 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, or we can say 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q in bracket 1 by R2 minus 1 by R1. After that, what we did, we draw this triangle AOC here, AOC, and we just rotate it, it become AOC. This angle theta here, this angle 90 here, this length AO is A. So this CP, as we know, is equal to R1. CP is equal to R1, but it is also equal to CO plus OP. We calculate the length of this line CO, that is the OP plus OC. That OP, value of the OP is R, small r, okay, here it is R, plus OC. OC in this triangle is the A cos theta, so it become R plus A cos theta, R plus A cos theta. So after that, we take this triangle here, this we have to calculate the OD. If this is the OB is the small a, then AD, OD, what is the OD? If it is making a theta, it is a A cos theta. If the total length, that OP is the R, then what is the PD? That means OP minus OD. OP is R, OP is small r, and OD is A cos theta. So it is R minus A cos theta. That is the length of this PD. Here it is DP, R minus A cos theta. Now we put the value of this, that what we say, R2 and R1. How we put the value? See that R2 and R1 in this diagram. Where is the diagram? R1 and R2. This is the R1 and this is the R2. So this is the R plus A cos theta, that CP, and PD is R minus A cos theta. Okay, so we have to put the value of R1, that AP is also equal to the CP, That's why here the equation is R2. ओके, R2 की वैल्यू पुट की, वो हमने क्या निकाली है, R2 की वैल्यू यहाँ पे देखिए जो BP है किसके बराबर है, PD के। R2 की वैल्यू PD के बराबर है, तो यहाँ पे R माइनस ए कोस थीटा इंटू R प्लस ए कोस थीटा, जो हमने यहाँ पे CP और DP की वैल्यू निकाली है R प्लस ए कोस थीटा, R माइनस ए कोस थीटा, वो हमने वैल्यू पुट की है। अब आप कहोगे CP और DP तो हमारा इस इक्वेशन में है ही नहीं, बट मैंने यहाँ पे आपको बताया था जो CP है, that CP is equal to R1, CP is equal to R1 and what we say PD is equal to that R2 PD, this PD is equal to R2। तो हमारी इस इक्वेशन में R2 और R1 है, तो जो हमारा DP है that is nothing, that is R2 and CP क्या है R1। तो हमने R2 R1 की वैल्यू पुट कर दी इक्वेशन में। हियर इट इज R माइनस ए कोस थीटा, R प्लस ए कोस थीटा, वी सॉर्ट इट आउट। R स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर कोस थीटा ऊपर क्या आएगा, R प्लस ए कोस थीटा माइनस अंदर, सो इधर अंदर माइनस लेके जाएंगे तो माइनस R, फिर माइनस ए कोस थीटा था, माइनस क्या हो जाएगा प्लस ए कोस थीटा, वी सॉर्ट इट आउट। R से R कैंसिल आउट, 2a कोस थीटा, नीचे R स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर कोस थीटा, बाहर क्या Q/4πε0। अब 2a बाहर लेके जाएंगे, Q इंटू 2a दैट इज द डाइपोल मोमेंट, चार्ज इंटू डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम इज द डाइपोल मोमेंट, दैट इज डिनोटेड बाय P। हियर वी पुट द वैल्यू, वी रिप्लेस Q इंटू 2a बाय P cos theta 4πε0 R square minus a cos square theta। if R is too much greater than A, what is the R? R is the distance from the center of dipole to point P, and A is the distance from the center of the dipole to the either of the charge, either OA or the OP। If R is too much greater, then P point is too much greater as compared to the center of the dipole distance A, then we neglect the terms A square cos theta, okay, A square cos theta neglected, the things comes out to be P cos theta upon 4πε0 R square। If we multiply R on the numerator and denominator, it become PR cos theta, R here is R square, that become R cube 4πε0, that is PR cos theta। We can write it as P dot R vector 4πε0 R cube, that is the generalized expression for an electric potential for the dipole, expression in the mind। Now we go to the special case। If point P lies on the axial line of the dipole, there is a particularly two lines, okay, axial, this is the dipole। If P point not here, it will lie on any point on the axial, either it can be here, so like this, that mean it is on the dipole, axial line of the dipole, that mean angle between P and, that we other say, what is the angle between P and R? Here earlier जब P यहाँ पे था तो ये R था पॉइंट और हमारा डाइपोल मोमेंट ऐसे था, बट अगर हमने ये वाला जो P पॉइंट है, P पॉइंट की बात करने हैं, वो हमारा कहाँ पे, यहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे है, तो R के बीच में और डाइपोल मोमेंट के बीच में क्या एंगल हो सकता है, जब ये किसी भी पॉइंट पे हो एक्सियल लाइन के, तो आइदर इट कैन बी थीटा और 180। सो वी पुट द वैल्यू कोस थीटा, आइदर इट इज कोस 0 और कोस 180, सो इट बिकम प्लस माइनस, एक बार प्लस आ जाएगा, एक बार माइनस आ जाएगा, 1/4πε0 P upon R square। दिस इज द इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल ऑन द एक्सियल लाइन। इफ P लाइज ऑन द इक्वेटोरियल लाइन ऑफ द डाइपोल, दैट मीन इफ दिस इज द एक्सियल लाइन, जहाँ पे डाइपोल होता है उसको एक्सियल लाइन कहते हैं, और जो उसके परपेंडिकुलर लाइन होती है दैट इज कॉल्ड द इक्वेटोरियल। सो P पॉइंट अगर आपका इक्वेटोरियल लाइन पे है, तो जो डाइपोल मोमेंट है, ये वाली डाइपोल मोमेंट, और ये R है, ये R होती है O से लेके P तक, R और डाइपोल मोमेंट में कितना एंगल होगा आपका, 90 डिग्री, थीटा इज इक्वल टू 90, वी पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ cos 90, so cos 90 comes out to be 0, so the whole expression goes to 0 on the right hand side, so V equatorial is equal to 0। so in the case of axial it is plus minus 1/4πε0 P R square, or in the case of equatorial it is 0। that is the electric potential at the axial and equatorial line।